Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image to the background of your web page and how to make it cover all of the web page. So now what I'm going to do is I'll have to find the body tag because we are going to select the body to select all of the background. So you see this is all of my CSS code and this is the body tag. So I'm going inside of that selector, and you see there are three properties that we'll use. So first we'll have to set the background image, then we will set the background size, and then the repeat. All right, so first of all, let's add a background image. So we are going to say background dash image colon, and then you add URL and you open two parentheses. So I'm using VS Code. I can add // and it will show me all of my files and folders. So I'm going to go to the images and I'm going to look for coffee.jpg. So if we save this and if we refresh it, you'll notice that we have a background image added to our web page, but you see it's repeating. When I zoom out, it repeats. So let's say that we don't want that. So we can add another property. So we can say background repeat. So background dash repeat, and we are going to say no repeat. All right, so background dash repeat, no repeat. I don't want it to be repeated. So we are going to file save and view it. You'll notice that it will be added, but it aligns to the left as I zoom out. So this is not something that I want. I want it to cover the whole page. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another property, which is called background size. So background dash size, and we are going to say cover. So if you add a background dash size cover, you'll notice that it will add the background image to the whole background. And now even if I zoom in or zoom out, you see my background covers all of background of my web page. So this is basically how you add it. If you want to move the image left or to the right, sometimes it happens. You can use a property called background position dash y. So background dash position dash x. So you can use x for horizontal. So for example, background dash position dash x, I can say 25 pixels or 20. Let's add something big, about 40 pixels. So we are going to file save, and as you notice, we have moved it to the right a little bit. So I'm not sure if this is going to be useful here, but if you were to add a background image to a smaller div, or for example, such as a header or something like that, you could have used background dash position dash x. All right, everyone. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and now the only properties that we are interested in, so background image, background repeat, and background size or size is cover. All right, so I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So I'll see you all in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.